Today we will see solar distribution box suitable to 5 kW brought to you by GEESYS Technologies. A solar DC distribution board is a crucial component in solar power system. These solar DCDBs are installed between solar panels and solar inverters. Key features to buy GEESYS Solar DCDBs: polycarbonate enclosure, GA powder coated mounting plates, wall mounting clamps, machine made wire harnessing system, machine made wire termination system. In this video, we will see the solar distribution box suitable to 10 kW. This is 600 volt DC rated solar DCDB. It accepts 2 inputs from solar panel and provides 2 outputs to string inverters. These solar DCDBs integrated with the multiple safety components such as fuses, MCBs, SPDs and etc. These solar DCDB significantly enhance the overall safety of the solar power plant and protecting both equipment and users. This DCDB is being manufactured under Shield Plus series. GEESYS is the only company uses 100% of solar DBs from glass-filled virgin polycarbonate materials. Our enclosure are tested for fire retardant, UV resistant, increased protection with IP65, impact resistance with IK10 tested as per IEC 60529. Short circuit and reverse current overload protection are ensured by GPV fuses on positive side with a 25 ampere fuse link with touch safe fuse holder. Typically, our fuses are certified for high voltage, high current and high breaking capacity. Negative side of the input with 6 square mm polyamide terminal block, screw type, it is fire retardant. These terminal blocks plays a vital role in ensuring safe, efficient and organized distribution of solar power within solar DCDB. Short circuit and overload protection are ensured by MCB on output with a 600 volt DC rated 2-pole 25 ampere 6 Ka MCB certified to IEC 60947 Part 2. MCB is an electromechanical device that trips and breaks a circuit when excessive current is detected. Once tripped, it can be manually reset without needing to replace it. Over voltage and electrical surge protection are ensured by surge protection device with UPV configured 600 volt DC rated SPD Type 2 40,000 ampere with a thermal disconnection facility. This SPDs provides first line of defense against lightning induced surges which can cause catastrophic damage to the solar power plants. Enhanced structural integrity are ensured with powder coated GA mounting plate after proper 7 tank pre-treatment process to satisfy the vibration test. Mounting plates help distribute the weight of the component evenly, preventing undue stress on any single point and maintaining the structural integrity of the solar DCDB. The wall mounting clamps make it easier to install the solar DCDB by providing straightforward method for securing the unit to a wall. By ensuring the balanced load distribution, the clamps contribute the overall durability and longevity of the installation and minimizing the risk of structural failure over the time. The input and output and earth cable entries are from the bottom through fire retardant PG glands. GEESYS uses only XLPO insulated solar DC cables which is fire retardant and UV protected. End stoppers are provided to hold the components on the DIN rail and it is passed for vibration test as per IEC 60068 Part 2. Organized and streamlined wiring, improved performance and reliability with a professional wire harnessing system to wire the components inside the solar DCDB. Ferrules and component identification markings significantly enhances the reliability and safety. Unique serial number with barcode bring a range of benefits including enhanced traceability, improved quality control, streamlined maintenance and better customer service. GEESYS uses only polycarbonate stickers and labels with 3M adhesive to ensure longer life. The complete solar DBs undergo strict quality checks and we conduct thorough routine tests prior to dispatch. GEESYS branded solar DCDB is the perfect addition to your solar power plant. Happy solar powering!